Namaskar. Welcome to Satya Skills. In this video, I would like to tell you about Earth atmosphere and layers of the Earth atmosphere. Earth is surrounded by atmosphere which is divided into different layers. For scientific study, they are classified in the following way. From the Earth atmosphere surface, they are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere and others. The troposphere is the first one, that is close to Earth's surface. It is the lowest layer that extends up to 10 to 12 kilometers from the surface of the Earth. This is the layer where the entire life on the Earth lives. This is equal to 33,000 feet height. This layer is lower at poles and higher at equator. Troposphere contains air needed for all living beings. About 75% of air of the entire atmosphere is in this layer. This layer is filled with water vapor and minute particles called aerosols. Troposphere is the densest layer. Clouds are formed in this layer except cumulonimbus thunder clouds. Most of the air traffic is in this layer. Commercial flights fly near the borders of troposphere and stratosphere because this is less turbulent zone for comfortable and smooth travel. Most of the activities of living beings on the earth occur in this layer. When one travels from surface of the earth upward through this layer, air pressure drops and temperatures become cooler in troposphere. All weather conditions that we experience like rainfall, heat, cold conditions etc. occur in troposphere layer. Top of the troposphere is called tropopause. That represents the boundary of troposphere and stratosphere. Next one is stratosphere. This is above troposphere and is around 50 kilometers from the surface of the earth. This is a mass of protective gases and acts as a shield to the earth. Troposphere means a zone stratified into several layers. This layer contains much of ozone in the atmosphere. Let us learn about ozone in some other video. In this layer, the temperature increases with the height because of absorption of ultraviolet radiation from sun by the ozone. Mesosphere. This layer is above the stratosphere and is called mesosphere because it is called mesosphere that extends up to 85 kilometers above the surface of the earth. Most of the metros burn in mesosphere layer when they enter into the Earth's atmosphere. On the top of mesosphere layer is the coldest point on the Earth's atmosphere and air pressure is very less, around 1% of the surface pressure, and it drops as one goes to higher altitudes. The air in this layer is too thin and one cannot breathe air here. Thermosphere layer is 80 kilometers to 700 kilometers above the Earth's surface. In this layer, temperature increases with the height because the density of molecules is very thin and absorbs ultraviolet and X-ray radiation from the sun, thus it is very hot. The lower part of the layer is ionosphere because solar radiation turns electrons into ions with a positive charge. The ionosphere reflects radio waves. The auroras are seen in this layer at ionosphere zone. Exosphere. This layer is above 500 kilometers to the Earth's surface. This layer contains less quantity of oxygen and hydrogen atoms. Then magnetosphere. The outer region of the earth is surrounded by magnetic field lines, thus this layer is called magnetosphere. These all are about the layers. Now coming to the outer boundary of the space, outer boundary of the earth atmosphere, that is between space and atmosphere. There is no clear boundary between earth's atmosphere's outer layer and outer space. For scientific references, Kármán line is an imaginary line located above 100 kilometers is considered as outer line. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. God bless you.